Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to sense font style in Google Sheets. So get it started. At first open your Google Sheets file. Firstly then you show the Google Sheets document. Now then you can see is the sense font style. Now firstly select from the any font. Now for select and going to the menu option. Now click for the font option, then it choose font. That's it. Then again another text is the font. Now for select, now going to the font option, then it choose font style. That's it. Then I show the font style in Google Sheets. Is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for